Imagine a steel giant floating in the middle of the ocean, capable of lifting loads up to 75,000 tons, equivalent to 15 Eiffel Towers. This isn't a dream. Indeed, these giant crane ships exist in our world. There are many massive crane ships worldwide, but since 2019, the SSCV 𝗤𝗂𝗃 has been crowned as the #1 largest crane ship globally. SSCV 𝗤𝗃𝗃 is a semi-submersible crane vessel with its name derived from Sleipnir, the 8-legged horse ridden by Odin in Norse mythology. Constructed in 2015 by a Singapore-based company named Sembcorp Marine, this giant crane ship was completed in 2019 and is operated by Heerema Marine Contractors, a crane ship contractor based in the Netherlands. 𝗤𝗃𝗃 has an overall length of 220 meters, a width of 102 meters, and a draft ranging from 12 to 32 meters. Its size allows it to accommodate up to 400 crew members. The vessel is powered by dual-fuel engines, either MGO or LNG, along with 8 azimuth thrusters by 𝗤𝗏𝗃, each with a capacity of 5.5 megawatts. Consequently, this massive ship can sail at a speed of up to 10 knots or 19 kilometers per hour. With a fuel capacity of 8,000 cubic meters of LNG, 𝗤𝗃𝗃 can cross the Atlantic Ocean or remain stationed for 1 month. Heerema intends to use LNG as its main fuel unless the terminal lacks LNG bunkering infrastructure. Typically, SSCV-type vessels have larger columns beneath the crane to provide significant protection, especially in facing rough sea waves and extreme weather. 𝗤𝗃𝗃 itself employs symmetrical front and rear columns to generate smoother movements in extreme sea conditions. The columns are rounded to reduce wave interaction, and its pontoon sections are streamlined to minimize resistance. 8 columns contain ship ballast tanks and LNG storage. Each column stands at 23.75 meters tall and is connected to the deck by stairs. The most significant feature of 𝗤𝗃𝗃 is its 2 revolving cranes built by Haussmann Equipment BV. These large cranes, mounted on the port and starboard sides, have a total boom length of 144 meters. To enable rotating within their casings, both cranes use slewing systems equipped with the world's largest bearings with a diameter of 30 meters. Conventional cranes mounted on the deck use bogies or wheels, while Haussmann cranes with a weight of up to 10,000 tons utilize direct bearings. The cranes are mounted to the foundation using 1,100 bolts with a diameter of 82 millimeters, each weighing more than 40 kilograms and secured with nuts. Before being used by 𝗤𝗃𝗃, the largest bearings made by Haussmann for deck-mounted cranes were only 12 meters in diameter. Thanks to additional main hoists, each crane can lift a maximum load of up to 10,000 tons at radii ranging from 27 to 48 meters. They utilize wire ropes braided over a length of 33 kilometers and a thickness of 72 millimeters. The 2 large cranes are also equipped with additional winches capable of lifting loads of up to 2,500 tons at radii ranging from 33 to 60 meters. Thus, these cranes can lift and lower objects from 50 meters below the water surface to 165 meters above it when 𝗤𝗃𝗃 operates at its maximum draft of 32 meters. In addition to the main cranes, 𝗤𝗃𝗃 is equipped with additional cranes at the ship's bow near the docking area. These additional cranes can lift or lower objects weighing up to 70 tons at a radius of 12 meters to 2,000 meters below the water surface. The capacity decreases to 25 tons at a radius of 60 meters and 8 tons at a radius of 72 meters. 𝗬𝗏𝗃 has a spacious deck with a total area of 12,000 square meters available for cargo. Additionally, there's a helipad facility with a diameter of 28 meters designed for 𝗤𝘂𝗲𝗀𝗯𝗯 EH-101 or 𝗤𝘂𝗲𝗀𝗁 S-92 helicopters. Other facilities on the ship include 225 crew cabins, dining areas, and lifeboats. Another giant crane ship besides 𝗬𝗏𝗃 is the 𝗖PEM 7000, designed by Gusto Engineering in 1984. The ship was built between 1985 and 1987 by the Italian shipbuilding company Fincantieri Navali Italiana. It officially commenced operations in 1988 and remains active to this day. 𝗖PEM 7000 has an overall length of 198 meters, a width of 87 meters, and a height of 43.5 meters. The primary power of 𝗖PEM 7000 comes from its 8 12-cylinder diesel engines with 8,400 horsepower, providing a total electric power of up to 47,000 kilowatts for propulsion and positioning, supplemented by 2 6-cylinder diesel engines with 3,130 kilowatts. Consequently, the ship can sail at a speed of 9.5 knots or 17.6 kilometers per hour. 𝗖PEM 7000 can accommodate up to 700 crew members. As per its function, 𝗖PEM 7000 is equipped with 2 NOV lifting and handling cranes capable of full rotation. Each crane has a 140-meter boom equipped with 4 hooks. Each crane can lift loads of up to 7,000 tons at a lifting radius of 40 meters using the main hook. The auxiliary hook capacities are first auxiliary 2,500 tons at a radius of 75 meters and second auxiliary 900 tons at 115 meters. Both cranes can lift loads of up to 14,000 tons in tandem. Each 𝗖PEM 7000 crane is also equipped with an 11,630 kilowatt engine to operate the boom, winches, 9 tugger lines, and crane slewing systems. The cranes use wire ropes with a total length of 77 kilometers and various diameters. Moreover, 𝗖PEM 7000 is designed with 2 ballasting systems. These systems consist of conventional pumping system capable of delivering up to 24,000 tons of water per hour using 4 pumps and a free flooding system. The free flooding system employs 2-meter diameter valves to open specific compartments to the sea, enabling the ship to lift cargoes and barges much faster than using the cranes alone. For its mooring system, 𝗖PEM 7000 is equipped with 16 anchor lines, 4 at each corner. Each line consists of 96mm wire rope, 50-meter long 92mm chain, and a 40-ton North Shore Mark III anchor. Each line has a single winch drum with a power of 1,350 kilowatts. The mooring system can be used at water depths of up to 450 meters. 𝗖PEM 7000 also features 2 anchor winch engines equipped with 130mm chains, 550-meter long, and 35-ton anchors. Another complementary feature of 𝗖PEM 7000 is the dynamic positioning system. This system operates using thrusters or mooring systems or a combination of both, controlled by multiple computers. It serves to keep the ship in predetermined location. This giant ship also has accommodations designed for 800 people, including 30 triple cabins, 335 double cabins, 35 singles, and 5 suites. Alongside cabins, crew support facilities on the ship include a large kitchen, dining hall, hospital, cinema, and lounge. However, despite its prowess, 𝗖PAM 7000 experienced an accident in the fjord near Stavanger, Norway on April 14, 2022. The ship was involved in a lifting incident during a planned crane load test. The main hoist wire broke, causing the barge used as the test load to fall. This incident led to the ship tilting, but fortunately it stabilized quickly. All crew members were declared safe, and no injuries were reported in this incident.